Foot Locker offer the latest and greatest selection of athletically inspired sneakers and apparel by top brands including Nike, Adidas, Jordan Brand, Puma, Reebok, New Balance, Under Armour, Vans, Converse, Asics, Fila, New Era, Champion, and many more. With more than 2,500 stores across the world, Foot Locker is the leading global athletic footwear and apparel retailer. Since 1975, they've become an icon in the global street culture, sneaker scene, and athletic lifestyle. Their long-standing relationships with the biggest brands means they constantly provide you with the latest product, biggest launches, and plenty of exclusives. Foot Locker, which occupies a prominent location in QV Melbourne, is situated on corner Swanston and Lonsdale Street, not far from Melbourne Central Station and State Library of Victoria. Customers can easily come here from Melbourne Town Centre, Carlton, Royal Flagstaff, East Melbourne, Fitzroy, South Bank, West End Apartments, and South Wharf. This isn't your average Foot Locker. The new store has space that boasts a dedicated women's section for female sneaker enthusiasts. Activation spaces including DJ decks with live entertainment in store, dedicated selfie mirrors, and gaming consoles. Foot Locker has the most hyped sneakers set to be available. These include select limited release pairs of Jordans and more. Opening hours: Sun 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Moan, Sat 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.